the LG, the 20 user here, and today been the video on the LG Tribute Royal for Sprint. So this is a new phone for Sprint. It's available now. It recently got released to Sprint. So if you guys are looking for a budget phone, like, you know, if you guys don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a phone, this phone's worth checking out. The LG Tribute Royal is the same phone as the LG K30 2019, but with a different name. So the specs on this phone, this is a budget phone, so they keep it in mind. The phone does look very nice though. It's available in platinum gray there. Available in 16 gigabytes of storage. You guys have a couple options here to choose your payment method. You guys have Sprint Flex plan, which is 18 months, which is $0 down, which is $0 a month. It will really be $8 a month, but they kind of have it at zero, so it's pretty good. So that's basically like a free phone or whatever, so that's pretty cool. Or y'all guys might have Sprint outright from Sprint for $192 full retail price at Sprint. So yeah. Like I said, phone does look very nice. You know, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. So that's the phone. You guys have a front-facing camera, earpiece. Your running keys are right here on the left. Your Google Assistant key right here. Power button right here. Power button on the right side of the phone, and you guys have your wallpaper there. So really nice wallpaper, colorful and stuff like that. Here's the front of the phone. There's the power button there on the right. Your volume keys on the left, and your Google Assistant key on the left as well, and your SIM and micro SD card tray is on the left side as well. So the battery does not come out, alright? And then on the back of the okay, we still got the front here. There's the front right there again. Here's the back of the LG Tribute Royal. You guys have a camera flash, LG logo, and that's pretty much it there on the back. Like I said, it's available in platinum gray there, so pretty nice. So the Tribute Royal has 5.45 inch display, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, Android 9.8 Pie, 3000 mAh battery, up to 20 hours of talk time. That says carve your own path with the LG Tribute Royal. This smartphone is stocked with all the essentials, including feature-packed cameras, a vibrant display, and handy AI tools. Wherever you go, whatever you do, this pocket-sized device will keep up every step of the way. So it's pretty nice. The Tribute Royal has, you know, pretty good features on it. Like I said, this is a feature phone. This is a budget phone, so you have full screen views from anywhere. Get a quality view from a perfectly comfortable 5.45 inch HD plus display screen. That 720p display, 18:9, comfortable and convenient. This device travels easily wherever you go and is made to withstand drops and daily wear. Alright. You have instantaneous images. Quickly capture each moment on the 8 megapixel autofocus rear camera with rapid shutter speed, so you can catch the action as it unfolds. Ready for your close-up? Take post-worthy selfies on the 5 megapixel front-facing camera with a suite of built-in features that will help you capture great shots in the snap. Portrait on point. Add a professional touch to your pictures by adjusting depth of field. Just slide the bar to artfully blur the background. Get more done hands-free. Ask questions, plan your day, and make memories, all with just your voice using Google Assistant. And you do have a dedicated button for that on the left side of the phone. Designed for productivity, the LG Tribute Royal has plenty of power to keep up with your busy day. So there you have it, you know, pretty good right there. I don't know if you can remap that key on the left side. I don't know if you can remap that or if it or if it's just a Google Assistant key only. So yeah, so the specs on this phone, like I said, this is a budget phone. So you have 3000 mAh battery, which is not removable. Bluetooth. I don't know what version of Bluetooth it is. Probably 5.0, maybe. I'm not sure. Your dimensions here are 2.81 inches width, 5.78 inches height, 0.33 inches depth. Like I said before, the Tribute Royal has 5.45 inch display, HD+, 720 by 1440 pixels. You have a capacitive keyboard, 16 GB of ROM, 2 GB of RAM, Android 9.8 Pie, which is good. You have a MediaTek MT6762 octa-core processor, clocked at 2 GHz, 15 hours of talk time. The Tribute Royale weighs 5.22 ounces. So, you know, pretty low in specs there. I mean, this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. And what you guys get in the box here is y'all guys get the LG Tribute Royal, the charger, USB cable, important information booklet, some ejection pin. I think it's micro USB charging. I think it is. I'm not really sure off the top of my head. Yeah, so the Tribute Royal is here for Sprint. Y'all guys can get it for free. So basically a free phone, or for a retail price of $192 at Sprint. I do think that the Tribute Royal will come to boost in Virgin Mobile. I think it's gonna be a lot cheaper than what Sprint is selling it for. I think if this phone comes to boost in Virgin Mobile, I think this phone will be less than $100, because this is a budget phone. Specs on her are not that great. You do have Android Pie and stuff like that, but the ROM is not that great, the RAM's not that great either. But like I said, this is a budget phone, so this is not meant to be used as a heavy user. So if you're a heavy user on your phone, this is not the phone to get. If you guys want a backup phone or whatever, this phone's worth checking out. The phone does look very nice, you know. Pretty nice looking phone. So like I said, this is the same phone as the LG K30 2019 version. This phone is also available on at&t as the LG Prime 2 on at&t postpaid, and the LG Arena 2 on at&t prepaid service, and it's also available on T-Mobile as the LG Arista 4 Plus. So yeah, pretty nice phone, decent, okay specs, I guess, you know. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. But if you guys buy this phone outright from Sprint, $192 is not worth it for this phone. It's not worth it. This phone is worth less than $100 in my opinion. So that's just my opinion. So yeah, like I said, I do think that Boost Mobile and Virgin Mobile will get this phone, but it'll be less than $100 if they get it, which I'm sure they will. So yeah, there you guys have it, LG Tribute Royal, now available at Sprint. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.